Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My channel name is Vimo and press the subscription button and press the bell icon for more videos. So today we are going to talk about how to record your screen with audio. With audio, there are so many softwares, but they are not supporting your microphones in order to record your screen. So I'm so let's get into the video without further ado. So there is one super software that you can record your screen, and also with audio you can connect your microphone to that software. So in this video I'm going to show you how to record your screen and with microphone. So so in order to do this, first of all you need to type free cam here. Then don't worry guys, link is in the description. You can go now and download the screen recording software with me. Then you can go to this website called freescreenrecording.com. My internet is a little bit slow, don't worry, please forgive me. Oops, this sign can't be reached. Give me a minute. Yes, now it's okay. So free tool for creating screencast. Easy create screencast. Edit, record videos, upload YouTube. No watermark or time limits. That's the most important thing. There are no watermarks or time limits in this software. In other softwares they may have time limits. In order to be, if your recording is go beyond your time limits, then you need to convert their pro versions. But in here you don't need to nothing, just enter your email here and then press download button. It will take few seconds, and then thanks for downloading FreeCam. Your FreeCam download should automatically start within seconds. If doesn't, please click the link. So my FreeCam software is start downloading. You can show here. It's it's getting downloading, and I want to know if you're planning to start a gaming channel. This might be the best screen recording software, you know. Yep, this is best, and my downloading takes little bit time, and I don't want to wait because I already download the video, sorry, download the software. So just cancel it. After you download, you can see here the setup will be in your downloads folder, and you need to drag it. You don't need to drag it to the desktop, or you can just double click on it and then run, which I already run the video. Then next, yes, this come like this, but you all need to do next, 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 and then your video will be, the screen recording will be or will be downloaded. And then that's all. Okay guys, that's all the video, and if you learn something new, and just subscribe and like the video, and don't forget to share. I hope you learned. Thank you.